Well, we are at Camp Helen State Park, which is located at the very west end of Panama City Beach, Florida. And right behind me, of course, is the emerald waters of the Gulf of Mexico, which offers a multitude of fishing opportunity. Beach combing, we have some really cool seashells. But also, right here, as you can see, the inlet, the darker water flowing out. This water is leading out of the largest coastal dune lake in Florida and one of the largest coastal dune lakes in the world, Lake Powell. And there's almost a division between the dark tannin water and the emerald waters of the Gulf. This part of Florida is just spectacular. Before Camp State Park, it was owned by Avondale Mills, a textile company in Alabama. And the gentleman that owned the company, his wife was named Helen. And so, therefore, he named the park Camp Helen. So we're a day-use only park, meaning we don't have overnight camping, but we are open 365 days a year from 8 a.m. to sunset.